I got really lucky with this one, and the bark basically I can just pull it off in big chunks like this. There's a lot of sand and small rocks and gravel that gets stuck in the bark. The log itself has been transported here, and I've moved it around with my loader. And then just being a tree, you know, with wind and everything, and all these little ridges and cracks here, it's a perfect trap for catching tiny debris. And that's gonna dull my chain. Oh, that's a good piece. And now we're really getting into the good stuff here. This nice big knot here. This was the hump that I cut off with the chainsaw. I would expect this to go pretty deep, and there's some nice little figure popping through here. And here we can just start to see some medullary rays. This is a branch that someone cut off. You can see a perfect cut line here, and the tree just grew around it. So that's pretty cool. The Alaskan mill is such a good, versatile little tool for doing this type of work. So now we have 3 pretty decent sized slabs, and we have maybe 5 or 6 more to go. It's like some black stripes going through the grain. And there's some seriously tight grain. You can't find this at the lumber store. You really gotta produce it yourself, or know somebody who does this type of work. But doing it yourself is so much fun. You can't go wrong with an Alaskan mill, as long as you got some pretty cool trees. Even with the skip chain, it leaves a very smooth surface. Almost 118. No, it is. I don't know what that is in inches. Maybe 45. That's a really cool looking shape, I think. I mean, these 2 humps here make it look really cool. Dry these as carefully as possible. They're still gonna cup, they're still gonna bow and twist just a little bit. And since they are so wide, and I mean this guy is not so long, but I've had longer ones where they dried very flat, and I still ended up removing like half an inch maybe thickness. You saw me using probably, oh, I think I used six stickers per slab, and that's really important. And I also made sure that the base that I was putting them on was absolutely level and in the same plane. The bottom boards, or the bottom slabs, they're going to conform to the surface that they are resting upon. So if that is out of whack a little bit, then you're gonna be introducing twist into your slabs.